But the market is recovering finally, guys. So we got some action for the market, especially for Beyond Meat right now is almost 3%. Held our support that we discussed yesterday over the 90 cents. So this is a good sign that, as we discussed yesterday, the whale is still holding some of shares of Beyond Meat. We don't have a sell-off because we reverse. In today's video, we have to discuss where the extent of the reversal and where the short sellers have the positions in order to be ready for tomorrow and Friday. So let's get right to it. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for education purposes only. So as you see here, Beyond Meat is still over the 90 cent. We went until the 92 for today, and we got a nice jump for it until 97. Last time, as we said before, we hit the over the $1 around the $1.09. We pulled back. And from yesterday, the market was red. Today, the market is pretty green. So we got a bit of reversal for Beyond Meat as well. But now, I don't care about what the other stock do. I care about Beyond Meat jumping at least 17% in order to confirm the squeeze has started or over the $1.09. And this time, guys, we don't want to have a wick like what happened here and test. Even if you told me, yes, we broke the 109, but we don't have a wick. We need to have a candle close over this level and hold over it, because if we don't if we didn't is mean we got rejected. Simple as that, just from the technical point of view. I don't care about just the fundamental, guys. I care about the technical, because the technical is like nature or the law of physics. It give you facts, not hope or beliefs or like fundamental data. Sometimes it's been translated the wrong way. Even if we have positive earnings or something like this, some investors doesn't like the return or whatever. The price will never go up and go down, even on positive fundamental. So that's why I'm relying on the technical more, or add it with just the fundamental, in order to give you more confirmation. So $1.09 next time, if we break this level, maybe today or tomorrow, will confirm that Beyond Meat will be ready to do this time, at least from the jump over the 109, around 50% this time.